In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Many of you in the comments asked me how to change default apps on an iPhone. That's why I tested this one before recording to show you exactly how to do it. No tricks, just apps you want as your new defaults that you can get from App Store and devices settings. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open App Store to get all of your apps you want as your new defaults. I already did that with Firefox, so I can go into devices settings right away. When you're ready, do the same. Then scroll all the way down to tap on apps available at the bottom. Then select default apps at the top. And scroll to tap on one of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Tap on Firefox to apply it. And go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!